but we don't have time. It's about to explode. Let's fling it as far as we can.
Look, she's just sitting here so calm. Normally, she's not this calm at all. Normally, I have to take her to a salon to do this. Look at that. Perfect. Look at how great that is. It's got the little light so you can see what you're doing.
Alright, so we have the electric nail grinder, well, the electric pet nail grinder. I love it. I received it the other day. I got the blue one. Comes with the charger. It also comes with nail clippers, as you can see. It's super easy to use. You take the lid off. Has a light, so you see the light. Yeah. Hold the little paw down. It comes on. There's 1, 2, 3. Not real noisy. Super quiet. It does make a little bit of noise when you are doing their nails, but it does smooth them out really nicely. And I love it. You can just hold the puppy paw down to turn it off. Put the lid back on it, or you can charge it. The charger is at the bottom, so it's super easy. Even if you lose your charger, it's just a C charger, so you can always, you're always going to be able to find a charger. It comes with the nail clippers for the dogs. I already had a pair, so I didn't have to use it.
Move the hair out the way. Yeah. Her skin is coming up, so be careful.
So we got this for our dog several months ago. We've only had to charge it one time. It's very quiet and easy. And it comes with everything right here. Got a lifetime warranty on it. We just keep everything in the box. I already had a little charger piece for this, so I didn't have to use this one, but this one's for an extra one. It just uses a regular USB.
Okay, quick review. This is what the clippers look like. This right here is the thing. You can see the light. Press the button and you can see that starts the 5. Turn the light on. Adjust the speed. Hold to turn it off. Great product. Love it. Exactly as described.
The light. It's not too, it's good.
Very easy to use. Here it is. Lights up. Different speeds. Yeah, I really like it. I suggest everyone buy one.
So, what I want you to do is put the cigarette out, and then we're going to come out and we're going to talk. All right, when you step out of the vehicle, keep your hands where I can see them and move to the back of the vehicle. Okay, come on back here. Okay, turn around, put your hands on the vehicle. Turn your feet for me. I'm going to detain you right now. Okay. And then we're going to find out who you really are. Let me have your other hand.
Doesn't work. I've only used it for like 2 or 3 times.
Plummy's day at the salon. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Do you love it? Do you love it?
That's enough.
It has the light, and what I like about it is it's not really noisy. It's very
Says I gotta do a video so I can get this. It actually really is a good doggy nail thingy. Sorry about the hair. But here's the video.
Oh, honey, I'm gonna make you look good. You have to
Don't you get it? When you die in this house, you.
Cheeky holidays, huh?
Detective, she knows